going to work today. La 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 la. Oh, the door, it seems stuck. I wonder what could be wrong. Ah, there we go. Oh, surprise! Oh, the good artist. Oh, shit! I go. Oh, no. What the hell is this? Look, I got to scratch my pussy and I get shit all over my hand. Look, it's on my pants. Oh, it's all over the door handle. Holy shit. Oh, it's going to stink. This is really good though. Look just like me. This guy's a good artist. I'm going to take this home. I put this here for now. Off to work.
Hey, you find my phone? You got my phone?
It's a lot fucking cup of